Hello students, we have started our lesson, a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. So before this we just took information about the writer and what is meant by synopsis, that only we studied. Now we are continuing the next story. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when ship was caught in a great storm. The other passengers evacuated without them. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, were left to survive alone. So here, so far, what happened already we discussed about it. William, Elizabeth, and then their children. They had been traveling in a ship, but at the same time, that ship was caught in a great storm. So rest of the passengers evacuated without them. But now Williams and his family members, including young children like Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, they were left alone to survive. Now, just see, come to the next point. They weathered the great storm, waiting in a ship's hold. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within a sight of a tropical desert island. The next morning, they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the roof. So they withered. Withered it means what? Experience. They already experienced that storm, get storm, and then they were just waiting in the ship. But they were fortunate enough to be survived there. They were surviving there, and again on the next morning they found themselves within a sight of a tropical desert island. So they were lucky, and they could see a tropical desert island very close to that. And then so the next morning they decided to get to the island which they could see beyond the reef. Reef it means what? See, meaning is already given here in the lesson also. Reef it means rocks and sand etc close to the surface of the sea. So very close to that there were rocks and sand that was very close from the surface of the sea. So that area they just they have seen early in the morning, and now they made their mind. They decided that now we are at sea, so then definitely we have to get there. As soon as we will be getting there, so definitely we will be surviving, or there will not be any problem for all of us. With much efforts, they constructed a vessel out of tubes. Then, after they filled the tubes with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. So then, as they realized there was an island, so then now with much efforts, they constructed a vessel. Vessel it means we are using here as a ship or boat. Then whatever tubes they had, so with the help of that tubes they made one vessel, they made one boat, and then later on they filled that boat with whatever things they required, like food also and then ammunition also. So whatever necessary things were there, they just kept it they in the that boat. And then so whatever valuable articles they had, so they just kept it there in that boat, and now they were moving towards the island. They rode toward the island. Rode it means what? The kind of movement we have to do for reaching to the particular target. So then it is used, even one particular thing, wooden part is also used there for the rowing and all, so that we will be reaching to the next part. Then two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. So then there were two dogs also. One was Turk and second one was Juno. So they were just swimming beside them. See, swam is the word that is used. That's a past tense of swim. Swim, swam, and swam. These are the three forms. It means main verb. Then again, this is the past tense, and past participle is swam. So then they were just swimming beside them. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books and disassembled pinas, and provisions had also survived. Even In addition to that, there were certain another things also which survived there, like ships cargo of livestock. So whatever things they required for survival, so those things, then again guns, then again powder, then carpentry tools. Carpentry tools are very essential when we are there in the forest and all. Then again books also, and disassemble pinas. See, pinas, it means what? Small boats attached to a ship. Ship is a big one, but small boats attached to that, and that was disassembled. Assembled, it means what? We are just bringing it together and then we are making one another. But disassembled, it means separated. Different parts are just separated. When we want, we can just assemble it and we can make it one. So that pinas, then again the provisions had also survived. So remaining all the things also which they had, it also survived with them. Over the next few days, William was the father, then again Elizabeth was the mother. So William father attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that carved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like gods of its trunk. Father told Frizz the gods would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. So then, first of all, they observed there was one particular plant. They observed that that plant was there, so they thought, okay, definitely this plant is going to be very much useful for all of us. So we will just cut it, and we can make so many different things which are going to be useful for us for the survival. So then, over the next few days, like William was the father, so then he was doing the different activities and all. So then he attached the floatable old kegs to one another, and then he just built a bow that carved around them. Then again, the family had landed successfully on the island. Then they set up there a tent also. Then at the same time, they softened the floor with arm load grass which they cut from the same area. Actually, they didn't have anything like whatever clothes and all we have here at home. They didn't have. They were there on that island. So they did one thing. They just cut the grass, and same kind of grass they used there as their bed. They just cut it and then they just spread it over there, and they just use those all the thing as their beds. Then they came to a grove of trees. Grove of trees, it means that's a group of trees. So there they came. Then again there was one tree. See, one tree grew what looked like gods on its trunk. So then, as William and then again his son Freeze, they were there. So then they just came to the one of the grove, and then they thought, okay, yes, this is very nice tree. So then definitely this tree is going to be useful for them for some another purposes. Now see, father told Freeze the gods would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. Utensils, it means pots. Whatever things we require, they like a spoon, bowls, and certain other things also which we require. So the same kind of things were made by Freeze and Father William, because they had good knowledge of these all the things. That's why they just converted that wooden part into their utensils. Thank you very much.